In this video, we will see how to use the layout view to modify a form design. With the Bookseller split view form open, I'm going to move to the layout view of this form. Okay, now I'll point to the splitter bar, which is the border between the top and bottom pane of the window. So when the pointer shapes changes to the double-headed arrow, I'll drag the splitter bar up until it almost touches the address field here. Okay, let's take it a little bit down here. Now I want to save it and close the form. Let's open books multiple items in the layout view. I'll point to the bottom edge of book ID, this one, B0001, until the pointer step changes to a double-headed arrow. Let's drag the bottom edge up to reduce the size of the row so that they are as tall as they need to be to accommodate the values only the information. We don't want to use any extra spaces. So changing the height of one row, as you observed, affects the height of all the rows in the form. Let's click anywhere in the cost column. Let's click the select column in the arrange tab, rows, columns, group, select column. Let's click that so that the whole column is selected. And let's press delete to remove the column. Alternatively, what you can do, you can right click on the column itself from the shortcut menu and can select delete column from here. Anyway, it serves the purpose. Click on the ISBN label. I wanted to select it. I'll change the abbreviation of the name to ISBN 10 suppose. I'll resize the column so that it is wide enough to display the label text and the ISBN number. Only just restricting the misuse of space. Let's save, close the form. I'm going to open the bookseller information in the layout view. I want to be on the design tab. I'm here. In the themes group, you have various themes here. Let's click on any of the themes. Okay, I'm going to right click on it and I'll select apply the theme to this object only, not to everything, not to all of the objects, only to bookseller information. So the fonts and color scheme that are built into that theme has been applied. Let's move to the format tab in the form layout tools. In the control formatting group, I want to use this save fill option. I will select green suppose from here. So the background color of seller ID field changes to green. Let's select the bookseller field and change the font size to something else. Save and close the form. Let's right click on the bookseller, sorry, not this one, bookseller's table in the design view. And what I want to do, I'm going to click on the phone field and under the design tab, I'm going to insert some rows. Okay, I inserted one row. What I'll do, I want some information to be entered. So I entered the field name and in the data type, I will use hyperlink as a data type. Let's save it and close the table. Let's right click on the bookseller information in the navigation pane in the layout view. In the design tab, under design tab, inside the tools group, let's click on add existing fields so that you will see this field list pane on the right hand side. Let's click on the web page and drag it below the contact field here. Let's select it and place it here after the contact field. So as you drag, you can point out that the line that appears between the fields in the location you want to place the field. Let's close this pane. Let's switch to the form view and I'll press tab until I reach the web page. Here I want to enter some web address here. Okay, and then just press tab. So as the data type was hyperlink, it's shown as a hyperlinked email address. Save and close the form. Yes, I want to save it. Let's click on the book revenue query. Yeah. Okay, and in the create tab, I'll go to the create tab. I want to use the form option from this and it will create the form based on this query. Let's switch to the design view of this. Let's click on the first label first, UBL name. I'll press and hold control and then click each one of the control next to that. Okay, now let's in the arrange tab under the tables group I have the remove layout option. So that layout design is being removed right now. So now what you can do, we can just drag it a little bit. Okay, it's not working here. Yeah. So like this, you can drag them and resize them as per your choice. Sorry, it's the design issue. It's taking a little bit of time. Okay. So this is what all about how to use the layout view to modify form design. Okay, I'm going to resize all of them so that it looks nice. I don't want to kill any time in this video for that.